Dreamwave Massage Chair. Realize your dream of a healthy life with the Dreamwave Massage Chair. To start your massage, simply turn the machine on and it will automatically recline to a preset position. The zero-wall design allows you to fully recline the chair without taking up extra space. Upper body. Experience a blend of humanized and scientific massage made possible by intelligent technologies that detect the shape of the user's body. Adopting the latest SL rail technology. The Dreamwave maps the curve of your back so that you can enjoy a close-fitting massage from the head to toe every time. Simply sit back and let the chair do its magic. The chair adjusts according to different shoulder widths to deliver a truly personalized massage with excellent 3-step shoulder width adjustment. Designed to provide comprehensive massages that target every part of your body, the Dreamwave has 23 special automatic massage functions. It also has 3 built-in memory functions so that you can access the custom settings of your choice. The revolutionary new massage technology offers a waist twisting function that relieves stress and tension by using the left and right airbags to rotate the waist while also providing therapeutic heat relief to the back, waist and calf areas. The Dreamwave guarantees a comprehensive whole body massage with 78 airbags that work tirelessly to relax and rejuvenate every part of your body. Lower body. The Dreamwave is designed with lower body air massage functions that target parts of your lower body areas with 3 levels of pressure intensity adjustment with focus on waist, leg, foot, calf kneading. Designed to understand your needs, the intelligent footrest automatically senses leg length and adjusts to a suitable angle while detecting the most comfortable massage areas. The Dreamwave Massage Chair also offers advanced technologies for complete foot and leg care, so that every inch of you feels renewed. Bluetooth and control. Experience serene relaxation with high-quality 3D digital speakers. You can connect to effortlessly via Bluetooth to play the tunes of your choice. Use the intuitive 7-inch LCD touchscreen, which puts you in control of massage functions. Features like the negative iron functions, raising, reclining zero gravity features, pausing, auto modes, foot and calf adjustments. Make a statement with the Dreamwave and enjoy a premium home massage experience.